Hi guys, I'm Kasim. Hello, I welcome you for my channel and welcome you for my new video. Today I appear before you to introduce about the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR. Okay guys, now let's check out the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR. KGS Super.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
This is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR. The 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR is the most powerful, elegant and high-performance super sports car which had been put the NURBURGRING lap record by the Mercedes factory driver Mr. Christian GEBHARDT in just 7 minutes 10 seconds and 92 milliseconds. And also this car is absolutely faster than the GT car. The 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR has combined with the adaptive aero and the suspension and the finely tuned 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that can produce 577 horsepower and the 700 Nm of torque. When compared to the modern interpretation of the legendary 300 SL, the AMG GT line of the cars represents the ultimate performance car in the Mercedes-Benz AMG lineup. And the GTR is one of the different cars to ever roll off the production line. But the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR car looks better than ever with redesigned LED headlights and taillights, wider rear fenders, and aggressive diffuser and AMG alloy wheels. The exterior design of the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR is equipped with the new LED headlights with daytime running lamps and adaptive high beam assist, more aggressive rear diffuser with redesigned exhaust tailpipes and tail lights, and the 15 chrome bars in the front grille is a nod to AMG GT3 race car as well as the classic W194 300 SL race car. And also the set of body aluminium rear fenders which are 2.2 inches wider and active dust underneath the hood of the GTR helps to cool the turbo area above the V8 engine, and a carbon fiber roof top helps to lower the center of gravity of the car. And also the air panel active aerodynamic system of the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR reduces drag according to the driving situation, and an active carbon fiber under body panel can lower by 1.6 inches to push the GTR closer to the road surface for added stability and the handling performance. The interior design of this car is equipped with the restyled steering wheel that features mounted AMG drive unit controls, and the center console has also been tweaked with capacitive display buttons, and AMG even offers an optional touchpad infotainment system. And also this interior gives the luxurious experience from the luxury inspired interior design. Okay guys, now let's check out the engine performance of the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR. The 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR had been powered by 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, and that makes 577 horsepower at 6,250 rpm. And also that makes 700 Nm of torque at 1,900 rpm. And also this car includes 7-speed automatic transmission system. And also this car drivetrain includes rear wheel driving system. And also this car is weight 1,555 kilos. And also this car is able to accelerate 0 to 100 km per hour or 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. And also the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR can be driven as top speed 318 km per hour or 197 miles per hour. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and new video coming soon. And also download my KGS Supercars Android application from the Google Play Store.